Hi friends, welcome back to Alaskan Homemaker. I'm Mary. Today we're going to make one of our favorite dishes, chicken piccata. Our friend Lisa and John told us about chicken piccata in the freezer section of Sam's. So we got one of their frozen chicken piccatas a long time ago and we loved it. It was so delicious. And their chicken piccata is a little different. They had diced tomatoes in it and garlic and artichoke hearts in it. I think some chicken piccatas have capers and lemon juice, and I don't know if they necessarily all have diced tomatoes and artichoke hearts, but that's how we first tried it and we love it. There's probably many variations of chicken piccata, but we'll show you our variation today. We loved it so much that we found a recipe and now we adjusted it to our taste and we love it. So let's get started. I've got a skillet here with 4 tablespoons of butter, so I'm going to get that heated up. And I've got a pot of boiling water for the pasta here. We like to serve the chicken piccata over pasta. We're going to get started on the sauce. So I've got a bowl here. I've got my garlic puree, about 3 garlic cloves worth here. So I'm going to get that. It's my homegrown garlic. Okay, and we're going to get a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and I like this lemon juice. And we need a 1/4 cup of capers. I have a tiny spoon here. This is a tiny jar. So I'm gonna get those capers in there. Okay, that looks good. Okay, we need a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. This is my home canned chicken broth. So we're gonna get a 1/2 cup of that. And I've got a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes that I'm going to stick in the sauce. And we're going to put some artichoke hearts in here. I like to buy the big artichoke hearts from Costco because we love to make artichoke spinach dip. Gotta get a clean spoon. Okay. I just guess on the artichoke hearts. These are the marinated artichoke hearts too. We're going to chop up our artichoke hearts. Okay, and now we've got all of our sauce in this bowl ready. We need some dredge for our chicken, so we're going to get some flour. About 1.25 cups or so. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now our dredge is ready. And these chicken breasts are really huge, so I'm going to split them in half. There we go. I'm going to stick a little bit of olive oil in this butter. couple tablespoonfuls. There we go. Turn that up a little bit. I'm going to have to fry 2 at a time so I don't overcrowd the pan. We're going to let that side get browned up really nice and golden brown. I'll bring you back when it's time to flip. It's time to flip our chicken. They're nice and golden brown. I'll bring you back when the chicken's all browned up. Our other 2 chickens are on their last side. So we're going to go ahead and salt our boiling pasta water with a generous portion of salt. And I'm using this pasta today. I'm going to drop that down in there. And give that a stir so it doesn't stick. A little bit longer. Our chicken is browned up nicely on the other side now, so I'm just going to take it out for a second while I get the sauce ingredients into the pan. Okay, we're going to carefully get this in. Now we're going to get our chicken nestled back in there. It's not fully cooked yet, so we're going to nestle it in there, and then we're going to get a lid on there so it can get all the way cooked through. Let's see, I can turn this one a little bit. There we go, that seems to be fitting in there good. Turn that down just a bit. The lid on. I'm going to turn that down to 2. Stir our pasta. Turn this down a little bit too. All right, we'll let that simmer for 10 or 15 minutes or so. It's been about 10 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and check our chicken. I did taste the sauce in it. It needs a little bit more salt. It smells so, so good in here. If you love zingy dishes, you're going to love this chicken piccata. It's so good. Stir this up a little bit. And we're going to cut into this fat chicken right here so we can see if it's done. Okay, and it looks perfect. So we're going to turn this off and we're going to drain our pasta. I'm going to cover this back up for a second. Well, actually, let's taste our sauce and make sure our sauce is good. Ooh, it's so delicious. Y'all are gonna love it. It's really good. Okay, we're gonna drain our pasta. I'm gonna show you a tool that I like. This is so awesome because it's so slim And then you just put it on top of your pot and grab the handles and drain your pasta. I love this tool. Here we go. Okay, now we'll put our chicken piccata on there and some sauce. This sauce is so good, and these noodles are going to be perfect to soak up all that delicious sauce. There we go. I'm going to sprinkle a little parsley on top. Oops. And here's our delicious, zesty chicken piccata. We're going to give it a try. It's going to be really hot. That is so delicious. I hope y'all like this recipe as much as we do. Our whole family loves it. If you like this video, please give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you for spending time with me today. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.